they shoot us. They must on me. They must so rude. They run the streets. I tell you, they mean in schools. I hear you. They run the hoods. I tell you. They run the streets. They mean the schools. The schools. They run the hood. The hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah.
Oh, I'm not happy for that. So how did it go? Done and dusted, Prof. It's Pope's thing and we did it Pope's way. And where is the monkey?
Prof, Makachuku, Prof, we don't understand.
I mean, where is his corpse?
Prof, we don't be undertakers now. As we knocked the guy, we left him where we shot him. We don't go carry him dead, but he didn't work out.
How about go there? I know at the gun.
What? How could you have made such a silly mistake? How?
Prof.
Oh, shut up. Shut up! I thought that head of yours was functional. Now you both have been in this game, haven't you?
Prof, we did game. Prof, not we the game.
Haven't you? Now listen. I want you to go back and recover that corpse to be sure, very sure, that he is dead.
They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my dangerous. They move,
now!
Dangerous. They shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. Dangerous. They shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They must on me. They must so rude.
Who be here, you knock? I knock this woman here now. I knock him here.
I tell you, they mean in schools. I hear you, they run the hoods. I tell you, they run the streets. The streets, they mean the schools. The schools, they run the hood. The hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. Them wanna move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. Them wanna move. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they're trying hard to gun us down. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're dangerous.
What happened to you?
I was returning from the fellowship and some group of boys were shooting. I think it's a stray bullet.
My Pope now. Pope, the track will be followed inversely proportional now. Don't fall into the wrong track. Makawa.
Please, can you take me to the hospital? Please.
Kwamaka Hospital. Agana Hospital now.
They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're fearless. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathway, they're trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us.
Sit down. Sit down. Hey. Shh. Hey. Shut up. Okay. Listen to me. If you cooperate with me, I will not hurt you. Okay? I give you my word. Just do everything I say. Be calm and shut up. Start. Hurry. I'm sorry for... Believe me, I didn't mean to hurt you.
You didn't mean to hurt me. So what is this? What is this?
I did that to save us.
Save us, my foot! I bled all through the night!
Like I said, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll find a way to make up, I promise. Listen, I'm not a bad person. Okay, I'm doing this because of a situation of things. Those guys are dangerous. Believe me, if they had found me, I would have been dead by now. And of course, they wouldn't have spared you as well.
What makes you think so?
It's simple. They would have thought you were my girlfriend.
What crime did you commit?
What happened to you?
I just had a little cut last night, but I'm fine. No. It's okay. Just a little cut.
Shoma, you call this little? How come?
I saw a sharp object by the door, so I just thought, but it's okay. I'm fine, okay? It's nothing. So,
let me take you home so I could see that sharp object that gave my friend such an injury.
Flora, it's okay. I'm fine. I am okay. See, I'm fine. I wasn't even limping.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine. So, how did it go today in school? Please, don't tell me there was a test. Please.
That's why I was coming to see you. To know why you went to school today. But not to worry, do not fret, because nothing serious happened.
Thank God. I was scared, yo. So the professor didn't give that test again?
At all. We didn't even see him in class. No lecture, no test.
Thank God. I was scared.
Let me walk you home.
No, I'm fine, Flora. Are you sure? It's just a little cut. Really? I'm fine. Okay. I'll call you, okay? I'll call you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
You're such an angel.
I do not take flattery for compliments.
Not flattering. I'm just wondering what would have become of me if you were not here to help me. I probably would have bled to death.
Austin, please. I am yet to recover from the shock. Please.
All right. Did I tell you you're very, very beautiful?
Austin, please stop. Please, like I said earlier, I am yet to recover from this shock. Please. I'm not in the mood for all this.
Ow.
Just look at me. I'm living like a prisoner in my own house. All thanks to you.
Sorry, man.
Austin, it's been a week now, and I've been asking you, who are those guys? And why are they after you?
In both of you. It beats my imagination that you cannot execute a simple assignment. Look, it's Austin supposed to be a hard nut to crack in this campus. Oh, and to cap up your mess, you allowed Emeka to deceive you. It didn't even occur to you that Austin could have state managed the whole thing. It never occurred to you.
Boss, you are truly...
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Listen, this is a system, and it requires hyper-intelligence for you to succeed. I want you to go now and place your eyes on that twat of a girl. I believe she has everything to do with Austin's sudden disappearance. And need I remind you that you don't have to fail this time? Or need I remind you of the consequences of a second failure? Need I? Now get out! Get out! Get out of my office! Failures!
Obio, my heart, why do you want to hurt yourself over an issue that has not been established? All through the night you could not sleep. Now look at yourself again. Why?
My lord, do you expect me to be at ease when my only son is missing?
Missing? Who told you such abominable thing? Listen, woman. The son of a lion will never get lost in the forest. No. You are just overridden by anxiety. You need to give yourself a break. By the way, what proof do you have?
Do I need any proof? Whose proof do I need? When no one has heard from him for over 1 week. My lord, it's not in his nature to keep distance from us.
I understand where you're going now. Motherly affection for her son. But listen, you are the queen of this household, and in fact the queen of this whole community. Do not let your subjects see you in this mood. Just press up. I will send some guards to go and fetch him in the university campus. Would that solve the problem?
Yes, my lord. Please do. You know he's my only son. Please.
It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. I will do that.
Ugo! Ugo!
Where is this boy?
Ugo!
Yes, Your Highness.
Now take some of your men and the car. Get down to the campus and make sure you return with the prince. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
I am beginning to share my lawless sentiment. Something's wrong somewhere. Be hasty about the exercise.
As Your Highness, please.
Keep moving. Move.
Austin, this is your breakfast. Okay? I'm not going to do breakfast with you. I have an early morning lecture. Okay, so just
All right. Anything you say is fine.
okay.
You're an angel. You're God sent. In fact, you're an angel.
Don't even start. It's you. Bye. Be safe. Be safe.
Two hearts of love can't be separated, 'cause their word is their bound and
nothing.
You mean that was what you were told about my son?
That was exactly what we heard, Your Highness.
Do you believe that story, Ugo?
My king, honestly, I am as surprised as you are.
Good then. That was not my son. Something is mixed up somewhere. Whoever told you that story is a joker.
Somebody should talk to me. What happened to my son?
Easy.
Talk to me.
Take it easy.
Ugo.
Easy, I said. I will get to the roots of this matter. Take it easy.
Ugo.
Take it easy.
Have you seen the corpses at the gate?
Corpses? You see it? I've seen it.
You mean you have not seen the corpses at the gate? Look at you. You're surprised. It's obvious that some other persons are running this campus instead of us. Yes! Because you don't know what goes on in this campus anymore. You don't! You're strangers! You mean you did not see the corpses with Ostino sign? That young man is somewhere greasing his engine. And you're here, gallivanting, loafing, idling away, and desperately trying to convince me that he is dead. Now listen, let me warn you. Look, let me tell you, if that boy blows up my job, you will go down with him. I need not warn you again. Get out!
they run the hood. Papa Sapano, where you put some back on you. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. They mafia, they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be a dog. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. Them man move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Them man move, yeah. They shoot us. Them man move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Them man move, yeah. They gonna shoot us.
One second!
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Father?
Hey, shut up.
I will be dying.
I said, shut the fuck up. There's no God here but me. Alright? Yeah.
Nah, mobility, man. Nah, this one your life nowhere around here.
You search everywhere.
I detest you now.
C4. You search the kitchen.
Kitchen.
You search the toilet.
Toilet now.
What about the roof?
Roof things now.
You search everywhere.
Everywhere follow.
This is Pope's thing and we're going to do it Pope's way. Is that understood? If I eventually find out by chance, anyhow, see this idiot stay here. C4.
Mobility.
When be the last time when you come?
1 million years ago now, I come now.
We will rape you. Not just you.
Amen.
They will rape your mother.
Amen.
Rape your father.
Amen.
Your dog.
Amen.
We will rape.
Amen.
Your teddy bear. We will rape. Is that understood? Understood, huh? This is Pope's thing. And we are going to do it Pope's way. C4 ball.
Na put my color one now.
No, don't call it one.
But just say don't tell. I leave the pepperless.
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean the schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools. They run the hood. They move.
Did they hurt you? Huh?
Now see guy here, this whole thing they bust my head. This guy don't fall around though. Eh? What did they vex me for where this guy did? This guy they call stand up, he say, why is it proving so difficult to get? Why? Hey Pope. Eh?
See, wait till they vex me past this. See, this guy don't they prove too tough an equation to solve. Eh? Waiting they make me one mad, one colonna. Say this guy they on ghost mode. This guy go enter, he go knock one, he go take off. He go enter again, knock one, he go take off. Enter again, knock one, he go take off. Push level. I don't understand. I don't feel this.
Yeah, not can he go? Nah, but for make I tell you, no be equation. No matter how equation deal, no matter how the thing take bad reach, there must always be a method to solve it. See, if you don't apply normal quadratic equation, it no work. We apply the almighty formula, it no work. And go reason the board mass now. Go reason the board mass because so far say the whole total summation of the answer wey give us is equal 0 now. To prove our point now. But they test you.
You say they talk like madman. So what you want to talk now? What be the point we try prove now?
You be the former hand. People for station say the former hand. I'm gonna form my head, John now. You don't know as they go. One reason me say you don't know say this guy don't follow hand for station. The guy don't join us.
See, Sifo, feel my swag. This is Pope Stain, and we are going to do it Pope's way. There are no two ways about it. Pope Stain, Pope's way.
I can name Pope now. You be Pope.
And what I will be discussing, the third question and short response is for everyday conversation. In the same way, when the statement is in the negation, the third question is in the affirmation and the response is in the negation. We have some examples on the board, like, I will come. The third question will be, and the response will be,
yes, I will.
Beautiful. Now, when the statement is in the negation, for example, she won't come to your house. The third question will be, what kind of students are these? Non-entities! Idiots, keep quiet! You think I've been wasting my time all afternoon? No, sir. Shut up. Who is that? The third question will be, won't she? The third question will be, will she? And the response will be, she won't. All right. We have had the one for today. We will call it a day. But before we go, I want to point out something. You, Austin John, stand up. Now, the rest of you, I want you to look at this young man. Yes. He's always neat, smartly dressed, intelligent, industrious, a young man after my own heart. Austin John, sir, if you keep going the way you're going, I am sure you will come out with a first class from this university. Yes. But can I really talk about the rest of you like this? Idlers, loafers, dirty pigs, as if you're not from homes. Let me warn you, there is always the judgment day. Trouble for mentors. There is always the judgment day. But we'll call it A day. If any of you don't have questions.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can be separated. Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
This one you're jacking like you have an exam.
Well, you know my situation. I can't leave here. I can't go to school. So I have to read, see how much I can cover. Wow. This looks nice. It looks sweet. Tasty as usual, I trust you.
Austin, please don't even start with those flattery words. Just eat.
What's poppin'? What's going on campus?
Nothing serious. Just the rumor on campus.
Okay. What's the rumor?
Except that you killed 2 guys. And even signets and them.
Is that the rumor going on? That I killed 2 guys? Of course it's not true. I didn't kill anybody. Tell me. Do you believe them?
Of course not. I even tried convincing some people. But the Ostino sign found on them just gave you away.
Ostino sign? You want to kill me? That is impersonation. It's not me. Why are they doing this to me? Why is the prof doing this to me? Why does he want to ruin my personality? Why?
Which of the professors?
Never mind.
Austin, talk to me. Which of the professors?
Never mind. It's nothing I can handle. Wow. Whoa. You look gorgeous, stunning, you look beautiful.
Austin, you just love to flatter me. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Tell me you don't have a boyfriend.
Austin, I do not have a boyfriend.
Aha! That makes me lucky.
Please, can I go? Who is there? Oh, Flora!
Hey, babe. Don't tell me you're ready.
Of course I am.
Oh, come on, let's go.
One second.
We're almost late.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright. I'm right behind you.
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean in schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. They fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be afraid. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be afraid. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us.
Oh, gods of my fathers, what have I done? How did I go wrong? My only son, the heir apparent to this great room, a killer. What do I tell the whole world? Maybe I took a wrong decision to allow him to go to university. Oh God. What went wrong? What happened?
They run the streets.
Wait now, please. I'm coming. 10 minutes, I'm just at the junction. I just finished lectures now. Okay. Alright, I'll speak. I want to talk.
They run the streets. They mean the schools.
Oh. Pepele. Finest guy. What's up now? Why are you standing here? Come on. Let me give you a shade, man.
Thank you, you're such a gentleman.
Seriously, man. You're a fine boy, man. Hey, come on, you know what's up. Enter the car.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm waiting for Keke to pick me up.
I see. Enter the car.
Okay.
Like, seriously, like, put down now. I got no one to lecture. Enter the car.
Yes.
Come on. Oh, I got one lecture. That's all.
Fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways. Trying hard to gun us down. I see them and rulers. Fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways. They're trying hard to gun us.
Quiet, see, look at you get us in the me and this man. So wait, you think say we come here come play jamboree with you or dance some kind of lata with you based on say waiting? I swear, Makachuku, if you don't begin tell us what you go understand now. I swear God, I will begin porous you now. As in they porous you, they go.
Please believe me, I'm telling you the truth. I've never seen a man in that house before.
You say?
You see, I swear, my friend doesn't have a boyfriend. Doesn't have a boyfriend.
Shut your buka cavity. I mean, shut that hole in your face. Okay? Now you have 3 days, 3 good days to find out if your friend is hiding her boyfriend. If not, riots could happen for your center of gravity. Is that understood? Not understood. I see. If I prick out the stance,
Go collect. Go. I don't go collect small thing now. You get us they do me for you.
I got you this. And I bought some rice and stew, okay? So, serve yourself. I have an early morning lectures.
Wait. Thank you. You know, you're so nice. Believe me, you're so caring. You're so sweet. In fact, you're just a complete woman.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Just
Wait, I'm not flattering you, okay? I'm just speaking my mind. And I'm speaking the obvious. Right, you've been so nice to me. Okay, I'm not saying it to please you. I'm just telling you how it is. You've been so nice, you're so beautiful, you're just everything. Allow me to express myself, please.
You're welcome. Please, I have an early morning lecture, okay?
Oh, okay. Last question before you. Whoa. How did you know my size and my favorite colors?
You love them?
Yes, I love them. They're nice.
Anyway, that's a little secret. My secret.
Aha. It shows you're starting to like me. Can I give you a peg? No, not a kiss, just a peg.
Austin! Who is there? Who is that? Who is there? Who is there? Why this early?
What is that supposed to mean? Do I now have a time schedule to come to your house? Babe, I beg, step aside. Girlfriend, I am hungry. I left my house in a hurry and I didn't have the time to prepare anything. Please tell me you've got something for me to eat. Please.
Yes, I've got some rice and stew. Yay! Oh, it's frozen.
That's not a problem. No. I can do that myself.
No, not to worry. Not to worry, just sit, I'll do that for you, okay?
No, I can do that myself.
Laura, I said I would do that for you. Come on.
Why are you acting like this?
I said I would do that for you.
I will do it myself. I'm hungry.
Flora, sit. I will do that for you.
What are you hiding?
Oh, I'll just wait.
Wait. I can smell something.
What is it to smell?
Babes? I can smell the perfume of the man. Oh my God! You have a man in your house.
You have a man, Flora. I do not have any man here. Just sit. Rick, take this. Keep yourself busy. Let me get dressed to school. Or you could turn on the TV. I'm coming.
The way things is going now, I think it's better we join the bad boys. Nowhere is safe.
And you think becoming a cultist guarantees your safety in this school?
Like in a hen now, they know how to protect their members.
Really? Well, let me inform you. The worst thing you can do to yourself in this school is becoming a cultist. It's very deadly. But I'm telling you,
That's the only way. That's the only way, Kenny.
I've given you my word as a girl and as a friend. So if you like, just go.
What about him? I hear he's the one committing all the murder on campus.
No. How sure? How sure are you? Please stop. Don't join them in spreading rumors. Please.
Shoma, why are you being defensive all of a sudden? You're acting as if you have something to do with this murderer.
How? That you shouldn't join them in spreading rumors. So how am I defending him? Please, oh. Please, the wolves have ears.
I'm trying to browse this thing, this lecture.
My lord.
What is it?
Let's talk. We need to talk.
Talk about what?
Are you not worried that your only son is missing? Does it not affect you in any way? Your only child.
See, I am not a woman that will be worried and the world will know that she is worried. I am on a master plan to ensure that he is found. That's what I'm doing.
Do something and do it fast. Eh? My lord, let us inform police about this matter before we lose him. So they can swing into action immediately.
Listen, I will do that when I'm through with my own investigations, okay?
Then do it fast.
I'll do that.
Do it fast. We are losing this boy.
We're not losing
He is
anybody.
my only light, my lord. He is
We
my
are not
only
losing
child.
anybody. Go to bed. You are not losing anybody. Okay? Relax. I need this rest.
Come.
I decided to let you know first. Because you are my right-hand man with whom I share issues like this. Before I can bring it to the notice of members of the cabinet.
Your Highness, I am short of words. This kind of matter is unheard of.
Oh.
However, my son is in the same university with him.
Yes.
I will send words across to him for him to come home. Maybe he will have a pleasant version of the story.
Please do. Please, my friend, do. Because my Lola is not taking this thing lightly. She's not taking it in good spirit at all. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't eat. Please.
Your Highness, I will ensure he comes home as soon as possible.
All right. I count on you.
Iwe.
What? When? Why? I hope nobody is hurt there. Okay, Dad. Yes, I'll be there. I'll be there. All right.
Oh, baby. Who was that?
My dad. Is it an event for them?
Now, we're having a nice time.
Father, why didn't you tell me all this on phone that this was why you wanted me home? You made me bill from school down here for such useless reasons. Now tell me, Father, what is urgent about this?
What an arrant nonsense, Emeka. What an arrant nonsense that the prince of your community is missing is not enough to bring you back home when you know you can be of good help.
What prince, Father? That bastard. That good for nothing, irritating maggot that goes around shooting innocent students just like that. Father, that boy is not my prince. He is nothing but a stupid cultist. That's what he is.
My friend, stop that rubbish. You are vomiting from your mouth. Stop it.
Is it a lie? It's everywhere on campus. The stupid thing he does, and when he kills, he will write Ostino and sign and put on their corpse.
That is an abomination. Emeka, you have spoken the unspeakable.
Can you stand before the king and repeat exactly what you have just spoken now?
Father, I will say it over and over again. I am not afraid of anybody.
Okay. We'll go to the palace.
Hey babe, how do I look?
Why are you going to dress up like this?
Let's see. Nowhere. I'm just trying out the clothes you bought for me. See how good they look on me. How do I look?
Nice. Handsome.
Thank you. Besides, I'll tell you the truth, I am bored. Bored. Believe me, I am so bored. You don't know how it is being in this house, locked up every day under house arrest. Can drive someone crazy.
Austin.
Yep.
I was meaning to ask you. How come you haven't told your dad about this? At least to get you out of this mess.
Oh, no way. I don't want to get my family involved. Believe me, if my mom hears about this, my mom will just die. Believe me, she'll just kill herself.
And you don't even want to tell me what got you into this?
Don't worry, I'll tell you. Okay? I promise. At the right time.
When? Or don't you trust me now?
How can you say that? Of course I trust you. I trust you so much. In fact, right now I trust you more than anyone else in this world. You know why? Because you have done for me what no one else has done for me. You put your life on the line just to protect me. And I appreciate it. So, the least I can do is to pay you back with trust and affection.
Austin, you know such words put me off.
And when it puts you off, what do you do? Don't mind me. Okay, moving on to the next agenda on the list. This is my ATM card. Hang on to it. The pin is 2016. Use it as much as you want to. Alright?
Austin, I'm not asking for a payback.
And I'm not paying you back either. You're the one who can go out. I cannot leave this house, so you're free. I'm not. Use it, get things for us, so while we're in here, we're happy.
So, why your ATM card then?
My son, are you sure of what you have just told us now?
Your Majesty, those of us that are close to him tried all we could to restrict his step. But Your Majesty, he kept behaving like someone who is under his spell.
Your Majesty, that is the right word. Under a spell. If what he has just said is the truth.
Your Majesty, what baffles me more is that he will write his name boldly and drop on every of his corpse.
Please speak no more. Just speak no more. My frail heart can no longer carry this. Come on. Something has gone wrong somewhere.
My queen, your food is ready.
Get out! Will you get out from here? Rubbish. Who is thinking of food?
Ugo. Aika.
Yes, Your Highness.
Both of you will leave first thing in the morning. to the campus. You'll be there a couple of days to make sure you fetch the prince back. Did you hear that?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Take this money for your expenses. While on campus, maintain a high level of intelligence and keep away from trouble.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your main assignment is to fetch the prince back. Did you get me?
Yes, Your Highness.
You might leave.
Okay, I'll see you after my lecture. Where do you want me to come to? Okay, I will be there.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They shoot us. They dangerous. They move, dangerous. They shoot us. They fearless. They move, dangerous. They shoot us. They move.
So what's the news?
I have tried all my best. I can't seem to find him there. I don't think he's there.
Have you been there alone?
No, I haven't. I'm always with Chioma. I mean, that's her house. There's no way I can go there alone. I don't have the keys.
You're toying with your life. Find a way, get those keys and search the house thoroughly. This is Pope's thing, and we are going to do it Pope's way.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They shoot us. They dangerous. They move, dangerous. They shoot us. They fearless. They move, dangerous. They shoot us.
go. There's no time. Where's my money now?
I not see your money.
Change. Hurry up.
I beg, wait, I beg.
Babe, why are you in a hurry?
Chill. You know I hate being late for lectures.
I also hate being late for lectures. Please, can I make use of your pink lipstick? Can you imagine? I left the house without using a lipstick.
What part? Oh God. You carried us from bus stop there. Please,
your change don't complete, oh. How much I give you?
Please, I get my change. This is not my change.
The change don't complete now.
It's not complete. Okay, I beg.
Now because of you, I beg. I don't want this kind of stuff.
From that bus stop to this place.
You don't complete. I don't want, I beg. I don't want trouble. Now you make me give you that complete.
Babe, where is the lipstick? Give me. I'm not done yet.
Hurry up now. And you know how strict that professor is.
I think that's what woman.
Shut up!
I came to pick up a book.
Who sent you?
Nobody.
Who sent you? Put your voice down.
Nobody sent me.
How did you get the keys to Chioma's house?
She gave me the keys.
Chioma gave you her keys?
Yes.
She trusts you that much?
She's my best friend. She did. She gave me the keys.
If you lied to me, you're dead. How did you get the keys to Chioma's house?
I swear she gave me the keys. Please believe me.
I'm calling Chioma right now to confirm. If she says she did not give you her keys, you are dead.
Oh, God.
Her phone is switched off. I'm going to give you the benefit of doubt. However, I will still confirm. If I get to know she did not give you her keys, I will shoot you in the head. What did you come here to pick up? What did you come here to pick up?
A book. I came to pick up a book.
Go and take it.
I should.
Oh my God.
Oh God. Oh God. Huh. What kind of a web of rivalry did I get myself into? Huh. That hostel of a guy could have sent me to an early grave. Just like that. Just like that. Hi. Oh God. Oh God, save me. Deliver me from this predicament.
So, Shoma has been harboring that criminal all this while. Hey, what am I going to do? Where would I run to? Those guys are equally dangerous. Hey! Flora, think. Flora, think. What's on your thinking cap? What do I do? Babe, here's your key.
How did you get my keys?
What kind of question is that? I only use the nail clip.
We are not fighting. Anyway, Flora, I don't think I'll escort you to that salon. Really, please, I need to go home. Okay, please. I'll see you much later. Why? I'm so tired, honestly. I'm so sorry. I hope you're not angry.
I'm not. Why should I?
Honestly, I'm tired. Seriously, I'm tired. How can we be looking for a guy? This task is so difficult for me. Should we ask this guy?
Hello. Please. Excuse me.
Yeah, bro, so don't know. We are looking for Prince Austin. Austin.
Do you know him? He's
100 level.
He should be 100 level.
I think, do I even know?
We don't know. We are from the palace, yeah. Okay, thank you.
You don't even know what your prince is talking. That's so funny.
Are you not the chief guard?
It's funny.
I'm worn out.
Good afternoon there. Sorry, we are looking for Prince Austin. I don't know if you know anything about him. Okay, thank you very much. I knew it. I knew this thing was going to be very difficult. I knew it. But it's okay.
We'll keep searching.
What else?
We don't have any choice.
That's our job now.
Yes.
That's our job. Let's ask these two girls.
Yes. Hello. Please. Good evening. Yeah, we are looking for Prince Austin. Yes. Do you know him?
Anik, I'm tired of this whole thing. Let's just go.
Thank you.
I think we'll be going back to the hotel. Me, I'm tired though. I'm just tired.
What will you tell the king?
We'll go back to the hotel tomorrow. We'll continue the search.
See, babe, the way they do me now, I swear God, is inversely proportional to these tears when they drop. So for your mind there, you feel say you dey whine our moral. You whine us now. Popilo, you feel say you dey whine us now. So you feel say if you echo now, give us false alarm. You come dey clapate, they give you. How now?
I saw him in the house. I'm not lying to you.
The man! Fire burn your...
Yes, you see. Babe, I sure say remember what I tell you before. So if you fuck up, by your center of gravity go solve the problem. See, for you know they never talk about.
But by present when you've been told that word now.
The present be. But you don't say this is Pope's thing that we are going to do it Pope's way. You feel me? Position the equals.
Now virgin, now be say we go break the law of virginity now. You know the breaker. Position! Come on!
Flora! 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 Flora!
Flora, why? Why did you do it?
You don't have to sympathize with a friend. You see, with bruises all over her face.
If that will make you answer my question. Sorry. What happened?
I was attacked by 2 hoodlums. They beat me up and even raped me.
Don't tell me you've been having affairs with those murderers. Flora!
Chioma, what about you? You have been harboring a murderer.
Austin is no murderer, Flora! I'm glad you now know the true murderers. Watch your back, girlfriend.
Chioma! So, they are the real people. They are the murderers. I promise. They will pay for it. They will pay for what they did to me.
Oko, I'm tired though, I won't lie you, honestly. I'm just like, look at those girls coming, maybe we'll ask them.
Can you ask them?
Because I'm sure this very road leads to the hostel. Okay. I was told that this road leads to Austin's hostel. Let me ask them.
Okay. Ugo, is this not Sarah?
Ugo, what are you guys doing here?
Sarah, my dear, is His Highness. He asked us to bring the prince home over a rumor that he has grown wild on campus. So we are here to bring him home. Are you now aware of it?
No, I've not heard. I actually traveled to Zaria last week. We went for a nougat game. I know my cousin very well. He can't do such a thing. Yes.
I said it. I know.
Okay, my dear C, the question is, where can we find him?
I've tried his number severally, but it's not going through. But do you know what? I'll make some calls. Some contacts. I believe we will see him definitely.
It's okay. If you're making the calls, then let's make it together.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go.
Your Highness.
Where is my son, the prince?
I'm afraid, Your Highness, we couldn't find him.
And what are you doing here? Were you not instructed to go and bring him back? Did anybody send for you? Did anybody send for you? Now get back into that car and go back to the campus. Let me not see your ugly faces here if you don't come back with my son. Now move it! I said get back! Move it!
Your Highness.
Yes? How may I help you?
Your Highness, I'm Sergeant Mark from Police Aid Division and my colleague Ife. We are here to arrest Austin Agaba in respect to a murder case.
Murder case?
Yes.
Murder case?
Yes.
Austin Agaba.
Austin, I'm fed up. I am fed up, Austin. Since you barged into my life, it's been from one bad omen to another.
I'm sorry.
I have fallen out with my best friend because of what we are both hiding from each other.
That your friend is a criminal. Believe me, she's a criminal.
She's not a criminal, Austin. Do you know if it's the same mess you've put me into that she's passing through? Austin, what are you hiding from me? Why don't you tell me the truth? Who are you protecting? Because I know it's not yourself. Talk to me.
All right, I'll tell you. Okay, I promise I'll tell you, but not here. And we can't go back to your house. It's not safe anymore. You have to come with me. Let's go to a hotel. I'll tell you everything. Trust me. Please. I've not been able to tell you this because it's not something that is easy to say. But I've made up my mind to tell you. When I got into the university as a fresh student, Prof became quite fond of me. I became his favorite student. He told me he was going to help me in life, help me achieve my goals, help me become a more focused student. I agreed. At some point, he convinced me to join a brotherhood. He said it would help me achieve my goals and be a better person in life. I was quite young then, I didn't understand. He made me join the Black Hearts confraternity.
Which of the professors?
Dean.
Yes.
We need members. We need members. We need members who can take up the financial responsibilities of this organization.
Prof, you are correct. Maybe the boys will go for a hit tonight or tomorrow.
That is why I invited Dandy. I invited Dandy here so that he can draw up a diagram for the hit.
Prof, we are always ready. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good. Who is he?
I was lately informed that he's the prince of Obaha Kingdom, a wealthy kingdom. He just got admission into this school.
Look. What are you thinking? Listen, Dandy. We made you the Capone, not because you are a hitman or you are an executioner. Listen, we made you the Capone because you use your brains. Dandy, use your brains. Use your brains.
Prof, he looks to me like a worthy candidate.
Very worthy candidate. That's the kind of people we are looking for. Yes. Use your head.
All right, Prof. I promise you guys, I shall do that. Prof. Prof.
Professor Ibe, my first assignment to prove my worthiness in the Brotherhood was to lead a group of boys to my father's palace to rob.
Listen, young man, there is absolutely nothing I can do to help you. You have to go for your assignment. That is the only thing that can guarantee your membership in the Brotherhood and assure your safety on this campus.
Sir, please. I can't lead a robbery squad to my house, my parents' place, my palace, to go and steal. Give me another assignment, please. Any other thing, I'll do it. Even if it means paying money, I can pay money in place of...
Young man, your money does not count here. I'm afraid there is nothing I can do to help you.
Sir, I was informed that you are one person who can change this. If you want to, please help me.
Go to Professor Ibe. Narrate your stories to him. He has the final say.
I went to see Lord Frank over this same issue and he said he cannot do anything. But he referred me to you. He said you may be able to help, sir. Please, sir, I believe in you. How can I lead a robbery gang to my place, the palace? I can't.
It's okay, Austin. It's okay. I'll look into your case again. Let me look into it properly.
Okay, sir.
Then I'll get back to you. Or rather, see me subsequently, okay?
Okay, is tomorrow okay?
It's all fine.
Sorry. See, you just say what we come to you and our child play.
I beg, no kill me, please.
You just say we call it a joke with you.
Boss, I beg, I dey fear.
No, make I cut. Cut you like the West Side. When you dey involve us, when you dey carry on good power.
Tomorrow, I promise. We no go.
I beg, make I cut this.
I beg, bros.
Cut you like the West Side.
Please, tomorrow. You no go pass tomorrow, I swear.
See, make I tell you, no be child dreams we can't do here. How we fall here tomorrow, you cannot do anything. I go boss. I go pull you.
I beg, no.
Yeah, tell me talk.
I hear am, bros. I beg.
You said we dey go tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, I no go play with you now. I dey craze.
Now I'm
beg. Bros, I be una man.
You be a man, but you FK now.
They run the streets. I tell you, they mean the schools. I hear you. They run the hoods. I tell you, they run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood.
Oh, Austin.
Sure.
Yeah. Land, there are two of you wanting to see me. Where is the other person?
It's just me, sir. She accompanied me. I left her at the secretary's office.
Oh, a girl. Bring her in. Wow! Wow! Holy Moses! And who is this pretty damsel adoring my eyes?
Her name is Pretty.
Oh! And she's pretty! Really? Oh, Pretty, you're welcome. I'm Professor Ben.
Well, nice meeting you, sir.
Austin.
Sir, my girlfriend.
Oh, your girlfriend? Wow, you sure do have a taste when it comes to women. But let me lecture you. You have to know your etiquette. It's uncivil, as a gentleman, young man, to come with such a beautiful damsel to my office environment and then deny my office of her presence, you know? Anyway, Pretty, you're welcome. This is my office. You're free to come in 247. Anytime you have financial needs, you have problem with lecturers and all that, no problem.
No problem, but noted. It will happen again. How far? You asked me to see you based on that thing.
Austin, consider it as good as done, okay? We just need to see the boys and then we'll reconcile one or two things, okay? You don't need to bother yourself about it. So Pretty, when will we have time to, like, all of us, you know, go out, have a drink, red wine, fish, little things, you know?
Exactly my point, sir. That will not be necessary.
Oh.
You're a very busy man. We want to.
Okay, but not too busy anyway.
We're actually leaving.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. You're free to come in any day, anytime.
Nice, sir.
Any day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. Shit. Austin. I've tried to help, but I can't.
Huh? Of course I know you can. You can change anything. You are the supreme lord of the brotherhood.
Yeah, you see, I might be the supreme head of the brotherhood, but the decision of the brotherhood is...
This is not fair. After all, you're the person who brought me into this whole thing in the first place, so you should be able to do something.
Austin, come back. Austin, come back. Come back. Austin, I just discovered that I might just be able to help.
Don't be talking, sir. Of course I know you can help. You want to help.
But on one condition.
Which is?
You scratch my back, I scratch your back.
Well, okay, alright, fine. I understand the way you're heading to. I'm not a child. I know it's money. I know it's money you need. Any amount I'll pay. Just name your price.
Austin, it's not about money. Austin, loan me your girlfriend for 7 nights.
Huh? Excuse me, Professor, did I just hear you well? Are you drunk?
I mean every word that I've just said.
I should give you my fiancée, the girl I want to marry, for you to sleep with for 7 nights. Professor, you are a dog. That's what you are. In fact, I'm not begging you again. Do anything you want to do. You can go to hell and rot in there.
Austin, you will pay for this. You dare to insult the supreme head of the Black Heart Fraternity. You will be punished. That boy Austin must be made to regret his actions in this campus. He dared to challenge the leopards. You must deal with him. You must punish him. You must deal with that overgrown baby elephant. It is either you deal with him or you fall with him.
They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be attacked. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be attacked. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule.
Hey, hello, pretty.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Where are you up to?
I want to get something in the campus. By the way, how do you people know my name?
Are you not Austin's girl? We're his friends.
Today is your lucky day. We're actually on our way to the campus. Why don't you hop in?
No, thank you very much. I'll just get myself there. Thank you.
Oh, whoa. I insist. If you want to walk, I'll walk with you.
You don't do that.
Like I said, thank you very much.
Pretty. Like I said, I insist.
Fine.
See, baby, I tell you, surely goodness and mercy shall follow us, follow you too, all the days of your life, and you shall dwell in the house of. Say amen to that.
Fine.
Come on, up in now. Are we not?
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean in schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood.
This is not the road I want to take. You people are past the road I want to take, please. I thought you people said you are going to school.
No, shut up, man. Or taxi, boogie. Yeah, taxi.
Girl, if you are familiar with the Holy Bible, you read Psalm 91 and it said, 1,000 may fall dead beside you, 10,000 around you, but they shall not harm you. So calm your soul, eh?
Hey, you Ajibota, come on, make it comport. What did you do?
Sitting here and crying to not change anything. Okay, you need to tell me what the problem is. Talk to me. I'm the only person you can talk to. Tell me what it is. I'll handle it. Huh?
He raped me.
Wait. Who? Wait, who?
They raped me.
Professor Ibe raped you.
I can't remember asking you into my office.
Your father? Of you authority? Of you authority, wicked man? Idiot, I will come for you.
Is that a threat or a challenge?
It is a threat. It is both of them. Anything you call it. Well, I will come for you, wicked man.
Oh, Austin, get out of here.
I'm already on my way out. In fact, I'm not even leaving. I will leave when I want to leave.
Austin, get out before I get you arrested.
I said I'm not leaving. I will deal with you. Hear me? Anything you want to do, do it. But me, look into my eyes. I will deal with you. Wicked man.
Oh, because you think your father is a king? Huh? It's okay. All right. You dare challenge the lion in his den?
I can't get over this thing. I've tried my best. I can't get over this thing. You know, how can he just do a thing like that to you? Eh? It's making me look like I'm not a man. Hi. It's time to put an end to all this once and for all. That fool must go down. That's what I mean. He must go down. And I know it's not in my nature, but even if it takes the last drop of my blood, I swear. See that day that I confronted him, if not because of you, I would have sliced his throat.
Thank you. But baby, let me tell you. To stain your hands with the blood of an animal is not proven. Yes. See, the only thing I will advise you to do is just stay away from him. Okay? Just stay away from his bloody syndicate.
You don't know those people. Those guys are dangerous. If they don't go down, they will bring both of us down.
They can't. They can't.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Baby, don't do nothing stupid. Okay? I love you.
So this bastard wants to ruin my life and my career. No. My God. I wonder how many people must have read this. I won't give in just like that. No, I won't give in. I won't give in just like that. Huh? He thinks Professor Ben is an easy prey? I will get you. I will get him before
I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. shooters. Them on the move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot, they shoot us. Them on the move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot, they shoot us. Them on the move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot, they shoot us.
Ah, make way! Make way! Make way! Make way! I'm really kidding.
Man, boys, that was good. It was clean. It was smooth. This is about the best job you have done in this campus. Oh, today you have made my happiest day.
You know what? It is Pope. Wait, you needed to see her face when she beheld the nozzle of my gun. You needed to see her face, bro. You know, we even sent a message through her to Austin, who will be joining her soon.
Wow. That's good, man. That is good. Absolutely good. You guys are wonderful. Oh my God.
Prof, you know, at a time like this now, when we dey jolly now, all we need is you activate our pocket. And now so that we go there,
Hey! Why am I the Lord?
Prof.
The prof.
Come on, man. Give me some money.
You know,
put it in.
Hey, I got that money.
Oh, and see, and I got some cups to go with that. I know what you guys want. I know. So, guys, now that we've got Pretty out of the way, Austin will soon follow her. It means that all the evidence against whatever is covered up. All right? And so we are going to reign supreme in this campus. We'll do our things unhindered by anybody.
What a celebration. Big Oka. The prof.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to guard us.
Hello, barrister. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Just that there is something I think you should know.
What is it?
The Prince of Obaha Kingdom. One of your students.
Mm-hmm. And what about him?
He came to my office. He complained bitterly of how you assaulted and murdered his girlfriend.
Don't mind that little boy. He has no evidence. Don't mind him.
Oh no, he does. He actually came into my office with a recording he did. where you and your boys were jubilating after the murder of the girl. I heard your voice. I heard everything. He even said he's going to negotiate with the network providers to give him a call log where you were calling your boys, instructing them on how to go about the murder.
Barrister, please. Barrister, please. I hope he did not leave your office with those recordings.
I tried to confuse that young man into leaving the phone with me, but I couldn't. That is why I'm calling you right now.
Hello, Commissioner. Oh, of course it's me, Prince. Yes, sir. I have a little problem. Some boys are trading me. Yes. I'm driving down Giwa Road. I'm driving a white Honda. And they're in a blue car. Okay. Yes, sir. Alright, you mean I should go into Musa Street? Your boys will be there to intercept them. Alright. I'll do that, sir. Thank you.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're gonna move, they're gonna shoot.
Pope, this is the right time. Do this in the Pope's way.
Officers, hope no problems.
This happened earlier that day I was shot. After I transferred the information to a tape.
So what do we do now? And what about the tape?
The tape is in my house. Somewhere safe. Very safe.
Austin, we need to act very fast before things get out of hand. Please.
The only way out is to get the tape. And I can't go to my house. I cannot risk you going to my house. So, I don't know how I'm going to get the tape. Wait, I've got it.
What is it?
I have a cousin, Sarah. I'll call her, see if she can get the tape for me.
Now that's a glimpse of hope. Can you now sleep?
With my angel by my side. Okay, so remember everything I said. Remember where I told you the tape is. Don't forget. Good. That's the key to my house. And here's some money for your transport. Be very careful. Listen, this is no joke. It's on that tape. Get it for me, please.
Don't worry, brother. We are all in this mess together. I'll be back, trust me.
Alright, let's go. Thank you.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they're trying hard to gun us.
Guy, as it be say you don't carry pin, puncture my bloom bloom. Shebi you don't happy, Abi?
See, bros, I don't have time for your jokes now. Huh?
No, what's nonsense now? Now what the joke with you, Panu? I dey lament for my babe where you late. The babe where I dey program. Now you carry this your print nonsense, come siphon her. It makes sense.
Bros, I am not in the mood for this now. Huh? Don't push me to the wall, I'll lose my temper.
Now lose it now. What is it, Seth? I don't like a tench. If you be prince now for your popsy palace, no be here. They hear me. Austin, I don't target you, tete. But it remains small. If Victor cry for you, my basi. If Footsmith no cat hunter. Victor go cry for you. I've been running. I just needed to meet you guys up. I stopped by the supermarket to get this for you.
Can you imagine? So what is my business you running? Huh? No, tell me. See, bros, I have told you. Whatever intention you have, I don't want to know. Stay away from me. I am telling you.
Please, I am sorry, okay? My intentions are not harmful. All I want you to do is just hear me out.
okay?
Keep it to yourself. Whatever intention you have, just keep it to yourself. I don't want it. I don't need it.
Okay, fine. You don't want to hear me out. I'm good. But can you take this? I bought them for you. Please don't reject a gift from my humble, innocent heart. I beg you.
Let me tell you. I don't need your gifts. I don't need anything that concerns you. Okay? Better get that in your brain.
Hold on, sweetie. It's just a gift. And you shouldn't reject such gift from him. Take it from him.
Christy, I don't want any gift from him.
It's time and effort.
No, I don't want. I will slap you. I don't want.
Just a gift.
Let me run. Stay in.
Your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable. 'Cause I want it to happen. Yeah.
AJ, you're very, very stubborn. Yes, you're very, very stubborn. I mean, after all I did to you, you're still coming back.
Yeah, that's because I know what I want, and I'll stop at nothing to get it. See, Pretty, I must confess you gave me a challenge of my life.
Really? Well, it's okay. At least you've proven to be man enough for you to have won my heart.
You see, I should be thanking you for accepting my friendship. And I promise to be good, okay?
Fine. At least you can rest now. Me too, I can rest. Yes.
Thank you.
So I almost forgot. That clothes you bought, they are so nice. I love them.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. I should be thanking you for accepting a gift from me, my humble self. Thank you.
No, really. No, I don't accept gifts from strangers because I don't want anything that will jeopardize me in the school.
I understand.
Yeah.
I do.
Fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to guard.
No, now. Why this nigga go fuck me up and go scot-free now? You know they happen. He must fall because Vogue don't cry. Eh? They expel him from school, now my racket be that. Don't be my racket now. My own be say, any mumu Jones in go follow him. Ostano, you don't fuck up bad. And fuck up could be your portion. Now so it be now. Yes. You don't Jones in go follow you. The thing be say, as vulture don't cry for your head, tomorrow night will be the main night, and we go know who be the real masquerade. Now so you just be you. AJ no dey find trouble. You carry your own come. My head. Ostino, vulture don't cry for your head.
I see them are rulers, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to guard us down.
Alright, take this letter and the tape to the Commissioner of Police. Please listen. I did not say DPO, I said Commissioner of Police. Right? Insist on seeing the Commissioner of Police. If they try to stop you, tell them you were sent by me, the Prince of Ubaha Kingdom. Alright? When you see him, make sure he plays the tape before you. Okay? Before you leave.
Okay.
What else? Baby, do you have some cash with you?
Yes, I do.
For your transport.
All right. I'll be on my way right now. Okay. I'll call you as soon as I see the Commissioner of Police. All right. Take care. Bye.
Don't worry. Relax. Everything will be fine.
This is the tape and everything.
You might keep it a bit more. You might keep it a bit more. Gentlemen, with this evidence at our disposal, we can now see that the complainant is now the culprit, okay? Sir, IPO.
Sir.
See that that man we detained is released immediately without further delay, okay? Inform all the patrol team to make sure I have to be on the lookout for the real offender, okay?
All correct, sir.
Young lady.
Yes, sir.
Try and communicate with the prince. Tell him that all the charges against him will be dropped and that all the culprits will be brought to book. And I will make sure I lead the team that will arrest them myself, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. But, what about the media publications?
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I will communicate with the headquarters immediately and that will be done as soon as possible. Also, I will get a letter of apology to the Royal Highness, at least to apologize for the embarrassment we have caused the royal household, okay? Father, I will make sure I deliver the letter to the Igwe myself.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. So bless you.
All right.
No, DPO, this is outrightly unacceptable. I mean, this is an expensive joke. What kind of expensive joke is this? Look, this is akin to primordial behavior in the 21st century. It's an aberration of ethical behavior. How can a professor of my caliber be arrested by a gang of low-ranking police officers, besieging me and the citadel of higher learning, where I am discharging my lawful duties before my students? No, DPO, there must be a mistake somewhere. This behavior is totally unacceptable. It's a humiliation.
Will you shut up? I said shut up! This is not the classroom. This is my office, police station. Do you know that? Look, listen to me. It's no time for you to speak all this your grammar. There's no need for that now. Now listen. Maybe when you listen to this tape, you start telling me the truth. Silence!
Hey, bro. I want you to shut your mouth and never you reveal the guy. You know, did you get me right? Yes, sir. Yeah, you. Yes, sir. This one you're looking at me like an animal, like what you are. Listen, look at me. Did you hear what I just told him now? Yes. If I hear the right person from your mouth, you know that my custody. I'll dash you to the bed. Stop! I said stop! Stop! Tell him. You talk to me. I know you can tell me something. Okay, who came down? Miss who? Come on, bro! Stop! Don't mind him. Don't mind him. It's not true. It's not true. It's not true. I'm sorry.
Hey, girl. Get up! Who? Friend! I'm saying, talk to me. Something else. Yes, I'm a professor. Bro, yeah, you not can blow up. No, I know. I'm a professor. Talk to me. Who died of her? Who killed her?
Rotoko!
I'll blow up. You know what?
Rotoko is not water!
Come here. Who killed her? Water. You want water? I'll give you water. Who died of her? Who killed her? You need water. Okay. Who killed her? I'll talk. I'm a professor. Bro, you know what I can do? I know what you can blow. Okay, talk to me now. Who killed her? Now wait. Water. I'll give you. Who now your hand? Talk to me. Talk to me. We did it. You did it? Bro, you did it. We did it. We killed us killed it. Us kill her. Hey, when you so no matter where you we kill Prince. Simple. Austin Agaba is not the one. Then who? Austin George. Kill everybody. Kill everybody. Yes. Hey! Come there now! Drop your gun! You will go and shoot. Hey! Come there!
So this smoke go draw for lockback for this place, Abi.
Shut up! I'm robber like you.
Now, being you they call am robber.
If you talk now, I will.
Ostaino.
Austin John. Officer, that's him. Officers, that's him.
Yeah.
That's Austin John.
Yeah?
Prof and his boys confessed that the murders with Austino sign were committed by one Austin John. That's him.
What?
Officer, calm down. I did my own. Vulture can cry. She na person wey fuck up. Na fuck up go reach Abi. Those people then Johnson reach them. None of my fault.
Officer, you let it go. Move.
My son, you are welcome once again. I decided to put you through the rigors of narrating the story again in the presence of everyone because of the report Emeka, his son, brought back home, which was why I reacted the way I did when you came back. But now, my heart is filled with joy because you have proved Emeka wrong.
Yes.
I can now join my ancestors when my time comes with my reputation intact. This calls for celebration, and that's why you are seeing all this.
Thank you, Father. Before we start celebrating, let me quickly say this.
Okay.
The lady beside me, Choma, God used her to preserve my life, to save me. If not for her, I would have been dead by now. Yes, so I want to say that she is the woman I intend to spend the rest of my life with.
My lord,
Did you hear that? My son, you're welcome. My daughter, you're welcome. Welcome. My son, that's the right choice you made. She's beautiful.
I has everything a man requires.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can't be separated. Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, cause I want it abound. Yeah. My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress.
Are we not supposed to go back to school?
Go back to do what? I'm not going back to school.
No, but then you have to complete your studies.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Really? Then I would have to leave you.
No, leave me to where? You're not going anywhere. No,
Why?
no, it's not possible. You're not going anywhere.
Singer, I do.
I know you.
I know it.
What? Jesus!
Jesus! Jesus!
He's going to remain like this for some time because the accident really affected his head. Please, I'll need you to keep your eyes on him. And if you observe any change, do not hesitate to call my line. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, doctor.
Wale, wait, come see what I see. That girl went get out the way they carry come. She's still there alive. She's still there breathe. Which girl be that one? Which girl? That fair girl now, we get us the way this will carry come here. She's still there breathe. Wait. That girl where they carry come deposit for our mortuary. Yeah, that girl where they carry come. She's still there alive. She's still there alive.
I just pray he comes out of coma very soon. Who knows who he is?
Wait, I want to know something. Is this the normal way you care to all your patients in this hospital?
What is that supposed to mean?
Because your emotional feelings towards that guy is beyond normal nurse-patient relationship.
Meg, I think you have overstayed your welcome. Come and go.
No, I wasn't joking, okay?
We don't even allow visitors to watch us attend to our patients. Leave.
Oh, sorry, I'll leave.
Joking or not, go.
Okay, fine. Attend to your patient. I'll be back.
Don't worry, she'll be alright.
Okay.
Just make sure you administer the routine drugs. But who brought her here?
Some guys from the mortuary. They took her there thinking she was dead.
Wonderful. Quite miraculous. Okay, just do what I told you to do.
Alright, Chico.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is abound. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is abound.
Come on, sweetheart. You're okay now. I thank God for you. Don't worry about that, okay? Just rest a little. I'll tell you everything.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is abound. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is abound.
Oh my God. Doctor! Doctor! Please back! Doctor!
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can't be separated, 'cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except
Hi,
the
dear.
smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause I want it abound.
I brought you some goodies, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Just let me go pick something, and I'll be back to tell you sweet stories. Okay? Okay. I'll come back.
Please. Be a good boy. What's your name? I mean your name. Maybe he's thinking. I mean, where you hail from, where you reside.
Sweetheart, just say something. Your name, anything, so that I can go home.
Rose.
Yes, doctor.
Maybe he needs a break. We may take him out for some strolling.
Okay, doctor.
Alright.
Let's go. Relax. Just relax.
Relax, calm down, okay?
Dr. Sam.
Yeah?
What do you think we should do now?
There is nothing much that can be done. He only needs time to regain his memory. You see, from all the tests conducted, there is no brain damage.
Okay, so like how fast can he recover?
Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, or even next year. If he sees or hears anything that is so dear to his heart, that shock would be reversed. But that is under high probability though.
Okay, I know you have tried for him, but...
Yes, we've tried. But there's nothing to worry about, eh? Alright, take care. Okay. Hello?
My lord, why are you not approaching the issue of our missing place with all seriousness? Sir, what is all we're talking about here?
No, how else could I be more serious? My guards have been on routine check everywhere. The police is watching. I have even sent for the DPO because there is this thing I am suspecting.
What do you suspect?
You remember that lunatic who was killing people on campus, who threatened to kill the prince?
What about him? I thought he has been incarcerated.
I was informed that he was released on mental ground and confined into an asylum where he escaped.
Oh my God. Hey, God have mercy on me. Don't allow that lunatic to kill my son.
No, nothing has happened to us. Everything is under control. Forget that.
Nurse, anyone who checks should wait. I'll be back in a jiffy. Let me take her home.
Okay, sir. She needs a company to share her home.
See you soon. Okay. Yeah, check on that woman in Ward 5.
Okay, I will, sir.
Alright.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, I'll come and see you. Take good care of yourself.
Thank you.
All I'm saying is this. First thing first. Get well, get strong. First. After which you can then talk about your fiancé. Okay?
Doctor, I'm just worried. I hope he's alive. I just hope.
Come on. He is alive, believe me. All you need to do is to put yourself together. Of course, that will quicken your recovery. Okay? Mary?
Yeah, welcome, Daddy.
Yeah, how are you?
Welcome. Thank you.
She's Shioma. My patient, of course, my daughter now. I brought her here to feel at home so that she can recover quickly.
Okay. Okay, Daddy, no problem.
She's Mary.
My name is Chioma.
Okay. The best of friends, huh?
Okay.
Okay, just go.
What is it again? You should be grateful to God every moment of your life. Someone involved in a ghastly auto crash was taken to mortuary for embalmment, but God brought you out from it. You should be singing praises to God every day.
These are not tears of sorrow. I feel tears of joy. I haven't fully recovered from the shock. I do not know the whereabouts of my man.
The God that saved you, you deliver him too. He might be elsewhere, getting better. See, my dear, when you are fully sound, you can trace him. Okay? So stop crying. Don't hurt yourself, huh?
I know he's alright wherever he is. Austin is a very strong and fortunate man. My fear is that the worries over my whereabouts may hurt him more than the accident. I know Austin. I know he is thinking about me.
You'll be fine. Huh? Okay? So stop crying. Don't hurt yourself, okay? So let's go inside.
Doctor, you sent me.
Yes, Rose. Please sit down. I want us to discuss about our special guest.
What about him?
You see, I observe is approximately fit medically. What he needs is more of psychological attention and care. Leaving him will lead to accumulation of more bills. Like you know, his bills are already enormous.
How do we achieve this? Where do we take him to? Or do you have anywhere in mind?
Rose, to be sincere with you, that has been my challenge.
Okay, doctor. I'll sleep over it and I'll get back to you. But the bills, what about it?
I will see what to do about that.
Okay.
You may take your leave.
Thank you, sir.
What is it?
I called you here for a very important matter.
Fire on. I'm listening.
I want to bring him home.
Him? Who is him?
My patient now, the one in the hospital. I want to bring him home for care.
Why are you laughing? I said it. I said that the way you always had your eye on that guy is normal. I mean, it's beyond normal nurse-patient relationship. I knew you were up to something else. Rose.
Don't make fun of this now, please. I called you for you to render a psychological assistance. Because that's what the doctor said he needs. Not for you to say rubbish.
Wait. When did you start home care services? Huh? Hey, okay, fine, it's okay. So how much are you going to pay me?
May, can't you ever, in this your life, be serious?
Of course I'm serious. I mean it. Okay, am I going to be serious when you find me in your hospital?
No, I'm not joking.
No, wait. I mean it. Pay me.
Doctor, I've resolved to take our guest home.
To which home?
My house, of course.
Rose, how can you cope with that, considering the workload?
Not to worry, doctor. My friend Meg, she's a psychological expert, and she has accepted to give a helping hand. And also the bill. I'll settle it.
Rose, are you certainly not up to something?
Oh, doctor, please. It's just a humanitarian service. It's nothing. Okay, let's start with this one first. Apple. Apple. You can do this. Apple. 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 That's a good one. Banana. Banana. You can do this now.
Hi guys. Hi. How's everybody?
You came late. Why?
Oh. As if you don't know the traffic condition in this city. Anyway, how is him?
He's improving, as you can see. You are yet to tell me what does the magic.
Ah, okay. That means you have to pay for cycle lecture. Okay? Anyway, let me get to work. So, sweetie. So, how are you? Okay, don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
Take it easy with him.
Have you eaten?
Look, you will hurt yourself if you continue this way. You should know that tears never solve problems. Just relax. Very soon things will take shape. Okay? Relax.
How can I relax when my son is missing? And you don't seem to be bothered.
Well, I don't know.
What have you done? What have you done to see that he's back? He left his home over 1 month. You don't even care. That's care.
Okay. Or is it when I start wetting the whole palace with my tears just like you are doing? You will know that I'm touched, that I'm moved. Why do you always like to accuse me of negligence of responsibilities? See, for the past 2 weeks, I have been on the neck of the divisional police officer, and he just called me minutes ago. informed me that that lunatic has been arrested. Yes.
And where did he say my son is?
Oh, relax. He said I'll get those details to you. You see? Relax. Can we now sleep in peace? Relax. Let's sleep, okay? My chiefs, I greet you. I actually never wanted to bother you with this issue, but it is also a state matter. My son, the prince of this kingdom, has not been seen for about a month now. In fact, everything humanly possible has been done to get him, but no positive result yet. So I decided to bring it to the floor of this council for discussion.
Your Highness.
Yes.
I thought he has been found.
Oh, this is the second time it has happened.
Now, if indeed it is the second time, then someone is definitely behind it.
Really, the young man that every hand is pointing at has been arrested 2 times. But the information I gather now shows that he is sick upstairs.
And so nothing.
And so nothing is coming from there.
This is a very serious matter.
Yes.
I suggest we make it public. Let's make it public.
How do you mean?
Oh, announce it on the radio and television. And possibly propose a reward for anyone that has useful information about him.
As simple as that.
Sorry to bother you. Doctor, I came to tell you of my intention to trace the prince back home. At least to let his people know about the accident.
Chioma, this is not the best idea for now. Because you will whip up sentiment. I will advise you should have a little more patience. If you don't hear from him, I will personally assist you in tracing his whereabouts. Okay? Just go in. Let me.
Doctor, I keep having this impression that something may have gone wrong somewhere. Reasons he hasn't even tried to reach me.
Look, listen, Chioma. If something is truly wrong anywhere, you shouldn't be the one to break the news. Do you understand? But it is true. Because you'll be hurting yourself the more. All you need is to calm down. Be a little bit patient the more.
Doctor, Doctor, everything...
Let me go. I have a patient waiting for me.
Alright, show me around. That's a good one. Okay. Mango. Show me Strawberry. Correct. Okay, the last but not the least, let's go. Banana. Sing the song. Just to remember the song. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above us was so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow! So you still remember the song? Okay, so should we sing it again?
No.
Alright, we'll just go one more time. Then we'll sing another one, okay? Alright, let's go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the so high. Wow. You're welcome. Wow. See me, I was rushing that, thinking that everywhere would have gone haywire. Why do you think like that's not for me? It's not possible. And he's happy.
Yes, love is happy.
Yes. I can feel that in your love. Yes, love is and Rose bought something for love? Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Alright, so go with your food, okay? That's good boy. Wow.
So happy. How did you do that?
I'm as surprised as you are. Of course, it just leads to exercise and a psychotherapy. That's all.
Psychotherapy?
Of course.
What kind of psychotherapy?
Have you heard of a man named Sigmund Freud?
No.
Okay. I think you should book a class 1 or 2 with him because he's a specialist on a psychoanalysis.
I will be very much interested in that.
It's okay.
Because when he was happy, as you can see, he is. I am so grateful to you. Thank you.
All thanks to God.
Chama, what is it again? Why don't you put yourself together and forge ahead in life? For how long will you continue like this?
My dear, you will not understand.
What is there to understand?
Each time I remember Austin, my body runs cold. The only way to purge my emotions is through tears. It's dangerous bottling it.
It's okay then. I understand your feelings. But I want you to have a confidence in God. He will bring your Austin back to you. Okay?
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me.
calm down now. Calm down. What's it?
Lord is hungry. Lord is angry.
Calm down. Calm down.
Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, you know what? Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Listen to me carefully, okay? You know what to tell him. Just tell him that love is beautiful. Love is a hero. Love is a king. Love is a prince. Just tell him to stop yelling for food, okay? That he's a good guy. Just tell him anything. I'll be right there. You mean we did all this? God, just calm down, okay? Calm down. Everything will be fine. Okay. What happened to you here? Eh?
Please, I'll tell you later, please.
Hi. It's okay. Just calm down.
What's up now? What is it about this your psychotherapy stuff? And the name Sigmund Freud?
Why the question now?
I need to understand everything now. It seems you're the only person that can calm him down. Please, I need to learn this your formula seriously.
Do you know what? It's not that easy, okay? But I need to explain his situation for you, so you understand it.
Okay.
From the doctor's reports, there is no trace of injury to the brain. Probably he is suffering from psychopathic shock, which can only be cured through psychotherapy. Do you understand me? Okay. Just relax. I will always be here to help you. I know you won't understand now. Take it easy. Everything will be fine.
Please.
Okay? Don't worry. He will be fine, okay?
Dr. Sam, you needed to have seen the way he devoured the meal.
Oh my dear, I'm so sorry. I ought to have told you not to allow him starve even for a minute. He will react the same way again.
I was so scared. Thanks to Meg with her psycho stuff and her timely intervention with food. Who knows what would have happened?
I will advise you don't allow anything irritate him.
Thank you.
Okay? May God help your effort.
What is it this time around? You look so downcast. Is it still having to do with this your prince?
Doctor, I can't get my mind off him. I think I should find out his whereabouts.
But Chioma, we've concluded on what to do. We've already decided. See, you just have to give me some little time. All you need to do is to bear with me till the end of the month. Soon you will be leaving. At the end of the month, when I'll be able to collect my take-home package, then I'll be able to finance it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry for putting you through all the stress. Please, sir, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. Take it.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me.
Rosé.
Jude! Jude!
Rosé.
I'm off to work. I want to say something. That guy there is my friend and our patient. He's here to fully recuperate from psychological disorder, a condition that makes him go frantic whenever he gets hungry. So please, endeavor to give him food at the right time. Please.
Wait. Rosé, me say that guy dey Golo.
Shh! Forgive me. Just do as I said and stop asking me stupid questions. Love to work.
Rose, this thing you're saying is a miracle. If what you're saying is anything to go by.
Doctor, I mean everything of what I said.
Really?
I mean, when I left the house this morning, he was reading a magazine.
Really?
Yes.
Well, in most cases, people tend to show some signs of mental recovery.
Doctor, I don't think he falls into that category. He's approximately fine.
Rosé.
Jude.
Rosé, you need to see what happened, You see that madman, That man where you live for
Austin?
Austin, the mad guy now, The guy is totally congo mad again. Going to scatter everything. See my face. See my face now. See. Hi.
Doctor, please. I'll see you. Let's go.
Come, let's go. No, come on. You better come for Lamo. Come for Lamo. Rosé.
True love 'cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause I want it abound.
Rosé, this money is too small now, eh? This money is too small. This money will not be enough for me and Mama now, eh?
Just manage it now, yeah? Manage it. As you can see, my guests need serious financial attention. And I can't empty the house.
So Rosé, so now because of this man where they could look, let me just
shut
me
up,
and Mama.
Shut up. Go. I'll call my mom.
I'll tell Mama everything, oh. I'll tell Mama everything, you will see.
My head has admitted. You sent for me.
Yes, DPO. It is very, very crucial. You are here. Chief Akama, over to you.
DPO, you are aware that the prince of this community is missing, aren't you?
Yes, I'm aware. My men and myself are on top of the situation.
You and your men have not done enough. Yes, you have not done enough. However, we have not called you here to apportion blames. But the situation at hand is that the king of this community is ill because of the missing prince.
Yes. Who does not know? Everybody is aware.
DPO, the king has made a vow to reward anyone with useful information on the prince with the sum of 5 million naira. You must get cracking because we do not want to lose our king. Get cracking.
I've heard you, but let me inform you here that we, the police, do not work because of ransom. No, our duty is to protect the lives and properties of all the citizens of this country. However, I assure you that we will look for the prince and bring him back here alive. And all those criminals will face the law. Thank you.
Please do. Yes. You must get tracking because we don't want to lose our king. Please.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can't be separated. 'Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
Prince Austin.
Take
Prince Austin.
my hands and hold it.
Mary! Mary!
Look into
Mary!
my eyes and tell me this love is unbreakable.
Doctor,
Sure, ma.
there was a telecast about Austin earlier today.
And what is it about?
He's been missing over a month now and was last seen with me.
You can't be serious. What station was that?
It was also said that his father, the Igwe, and his cabinet have pledged the sum of 5 million naira to anyone who finds him.
Wait a minute. Did you say 5 million naira? So he's a prince. I did not think in that light before. Look, Chioma, we have to hasten up. Prince must be found. 5 good million naira.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our world is apart.
Doctor, what do we do now?
There must be some hospitals around here. Let us check their records. That will help us to an extent.
Doctor, I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
Okay. Calm down. Calm down, let's go.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
Good day, Metron.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. You're welcome.
I am Dr. Moses from local General Hospital.
Okay.
Is the doctor on seat?
No, he's not on seat. Well, how may I help you?
Okay. We're here to find out if any patient was brought here by name Austin Agaba at about...
approximately a month and 3 weeks.
Yes, about a month and 3 weeks ago.
Okay, let me check on my record. No, doctor, there's no such record here. But there is another hospital down the road. Maybe you could ask them.
Okay, down this road?
Yes, down the road, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Thank you.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your
My daughter, you have put up a very high-spirited effort in tracing your man, but you can see the futility of our John. I advise you should go home and replan. Okay?
Doctor.
Yeah.
Do you think Austin is still alive?
Come on, my dear. Don't be pessimistic. Always be positive in life. Let us just go home and devise another means of tracing him. Okay? Let's go.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable.
Hey, they have gotten me.
They have gotten my rose. Oh, they have gotten my rose. Who must have done this to me? Who must have done this to me? Hey, my rose. When the rose Nigerian
Oh.
Hey, who must have done this? Oh, my enemies, yes, I know. My enemies are at work. Cannot be true, cannot work for them. Cannot work for them, cannot work for them. Hey, you can measure.
You think I'm lying? Mama, if not for that taekwondo training that I've been going for, that guy, that madman, Onyala, that guy would have rearranged my facial morphology. I'm telling you, Mama, when his madness started, I just dey wash him. I was not happy. I just dey wash him. He started destroying everything in the house. He started destroying sister things. I just posed the wash him. He hit me. I dodged. I now pose. I gave him a snake in monkey shadow. Hey, Mama, trust me now. You know what I can do. You know what I can do now.
My son, I trust you. I trust you. I know what you can do. I know what you can do.
Mama, I swear I must kill that madman. He will not go free. I must kill that man. Yes, be my sister. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. I know what to do.
My daughter. God, my enemies are at work.
Don't worry. Leave the battle for me. Leave the battle for Jude.
You know that angel?
What angel?
There's this angel that feels the vacuum. You know, there's this space in my heart that she feels. The face comes to me, but I'm not so sure that are you the one?
My baby boy. There's no other angel but me. I'm so happy that you're beginning to recognize me. Just come on. Come on, hold your angel.
Okay, I don't know. I can't seem to place the face very well, but I feel something is just not right happening.
My prince, my hero, I'm so excited that you're back, and I love you clearly, my queen. Just love me. Hello? Mom. No! Mom, that's a lie. Jude is lying. Mommy, there's nothing of such. Jude is lying. He's lying. How can you believe him? Mom, I'm not caught up for this argument. Please, let me call you back.
Is there any problem?
Listen to me. Listen to me. So, let's go back to our day.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this
Austin. Is this not Austin?
Yes, that's you.
If no be say I gallant, if no be for that taekwondo training where they go, I tell you now, that guy don't fall my hand.
But wait. But why Sisi go keep that kind of person for your house? Be like see fine.
Hey, no go there at all. It's na fine matter, that guy over fine. When I see that guy, I think say big Sisi don't go package one superstar like that. I even won't take picture with her. I don't know, say the guy they kolo.
Maybe that one she carry over now. But that guy find open, you don't find pass you now.
You know monkey. Hey Jack, if no be say that guy dey kolo, no girl wey go see that guy wey no go trip, wey no go fall yakata back. I tell you, even Malay dey reason me this morning say they go show. But inside they lie, you feel me? Once they enter here, una go two of them go see am with una eye, una go confirm am na.
We dey now. We go see am. Una go see am.
But that guy fine. Una kolo fineness. Hey! Hey! Me na maintain myself now. Shh, me na maintain. Sisi Rosé. Rosé.
Hey, right now.
Rosé.
My daughter Rose, as I don't hear from you finish so, I no come know wetin I go talk about for this matter. It can't be like say words don't finish for my mouth. But wetin I dey try make you understand for this thing be say, e no good make young girl like you be harbor person when the head no correct for house. Anything fit happen. See, na person life now we dey talk for years, so we're not gonna leave the one we dey talk now, go begin talk on that thing.
Mama, Austin is a very nice guy. And by my training, I can handle him very well. There's no cause for alarm.
Okay, if you say so. As you see and so, you know say na you be only girl when I get. If you get as they take look for me today so they don't see me, na you. Why be say since when we dey talk, you know they contribute for what we dey talk? It was so.
Mama is okay. That's the mood he finds himself at the moment. But very soon, there would be another mood swap.
It's not mood swap.
Mood swap, and you know he's a very good guy.
This mood swap or swap, okay, make it be a better one. No. It's not when you come begin to cause another thing for me in my house.
Nah, Jude. Who is this man? As I see this thing, I rush girl meet Dikeh for their house. Then I say, see Dikeh, now make we carry this thing go show Jude. Nah, I can't remember what happened the other time. My antenna move, go magnet that joke. Like Radio Sapienza. I say, Dikeh, make we fall in, make you see him. Now why you come, make you still see what they happen. See him now.
Hey Jack, this my sister get class. This my sister, Sister Rosé, in get level. I no even know say this guy wey dey kolo na prince. I swear, 5 mila no be akara money.
Abuche, money don't lack for our boss. Money don't lack for our doorstep.
Yes.
Oh, my man.
Hey, now wetin we go execute now? Shebi na to fall in police station. Tender our CV now. Now be that now.
Abi?
Hi.
Wetin reason?
Na the thing, but the koko be say, I have to relate with Big Sisi. You know as it be now to avoid point of order. Before I can go all over, I can.
Why you reason Big Sisi for this issue, God? Nah, Jude, you know wetin be my problem? Where are you there? Every time you go, if you reason, you go say make you relate with Big Sisi. And you know see if Big Sisi still hear this thing, he go bring motion. This thing na my construction company, na my personal construction company. Where we dey talk? Wetin be your construction company? Now our construction company be that now. No talk am again, no try am again.
I don't take that from you. Make up na that it. Which one be una construction company? No, Abuche, take time.
I never reason now. Why you gonna say make we die? What you mean?
Me talk
no
about
talk again. No talk again. You hear me so?
You say make we die.
Me na die it. Which one be?
Wow. I go die alive. Eat that money. I go die alive.
Rose. Where must you be?
In the backyard.
I beg you.
Can you not sit down, please?
See, Rose, this your move no go pay this time around. Jimmy, the market where I carry here, they very important. And you have a choice to make. Sure.
So he's a prince.
Follow me busy now.
Jude, now I know that something is wrong with your head.
See. You never reach for a level, eh? We know the quarrel now. Wetin we dey talk now? Wetin me dey talk? Na 5 million. 5 million no be akara money. See now. 5 million naira is enough to renovate this house where Papa don build since 19. Wetin I don't know. 5 million naira is enough to repackage you, rebrand you. You feel me now? My still dey count am. 5 million naira is enough to add more swags to my plenty swag. You know I get plenty swags now. Easy now. Follow me from that angle I dey see am.
Are you done? Are you done talking? Listen, I would never be a party to this wicked plot of yours. No. And if you mention that to me again, I will arrest you. Leave my presence now.
See, Rose, now because then I your boyfriend, I go kidnap him. Don't tell Mama.
Get out!
Okay, now no wahala. I go kidnap that boy. You go see him. I will go tell Mama boss. You go see him. You see him? See? As Big Sisi no one play along, I can't say my involve you. You don't think why I suppose hear you this now. I just dey hold my side. Open. Take a look at the picture. Open. Yeah. Don't think why you hold myself. Yeah. Don't think why you hold myself. Now the guy with this.
Now the boy with this. Now the boy with the craze with this.
I tell you. See the money where they involve. See. 5 pillar.
So, what do you come want make we do now?
Now the thing we say, when we call Big Sisi, carry that guy, lock him up, rush to police station, call police. We go carry all this money you see now, 5 million. We go carry and we go be our own. Listen now.
Rose. You know what is it? If he could join Jude in his greedy intent, then I should not remain here.
Rose, no do like that now. No do like that. See, maybe as you take understand that now you try to understand me now. Your mother they helpless for this matter. I beg me, no do me like this. I beg.
Mama, Mama, there's no point of you begging me. There's no point. I'm going.
Hey, Rose.
Let's go.
Rose,
Mama, leave me alone, John.
Rose, no do me like this. Rose.
See, Mama, as big sister no one cooperate with me, I want me to cooperate with me, Mama. Mama, see, we go police station, we will go report this matter for police station. We don't make money, we don't make money, Mama, reason now.
Jude.
Mama.
How you dey talk like this? How you dey talk like person wey dey talk comot from your nose, no be from your mouth? That one no go solve the problem now, That one no be the best. No be the best.
Mama. Try. Mama, I know say you no go school. I know. But you dey for darkness. Now for dream you dey. I want me wake up. Mama, wake up. Wake up, go see the light. This thing wey we dey talk na 5 million naira. Me and you go police station, collect that money. You understand? Poverty, I am tired of poverty. I am tired of living for this house. See this ceiling. Every night if I want sleep, now so rat and the other one lizard they run for ceiling. You know one day for
I'm not fear. Hey, Chineke me. Now your sister will talk here.
Mama, let's take these people to police.
You want to put your sister in problem, Abi? If you carry police go, they don't go arrest your sister.
No, it's Austin.
I keep quiet if you don't get better thing to talk. Make I hear what. Money, kill you.
What?
Where's the food? Rose! Come to my office now.
Doctor, I respect you a lot, but I'll do no such thing.
Young lady, why not be reasonable? We are talking about 5 million naira here.
Why is it that everybody's interested in the money? No one gives a hoot about the young man's sound health and welfare.
I'm interested in the money because that is where we get my money back.
But I already promised to settle the bill.
But you've not done to your promise either, have you?
Dr. Sam, whatever your argument is in this matter, I will never consent in handing that young man over to the police. Austin is not a criminal.
Leave my office.
Get out!
Rosé! Rosé!
Do you know that the both of you could be arrested for deceiving an officer of the law?
Oh, officer, take it easy now. Take it easy, It hasn't got into that. You still try a number.
It has. In short, both of you are under arrest for distracting a police officer. Now move to the station.
No, officer, take it easy. It was not a wrong information, Maybe they want us. They will be back shortly. Calm down now. Wow.
Officer, please. I need you guys to calm down, okay? The girl in question is a staff
It's my personal staff. So there is nothing to worry about. I believe she might be reporting to work today or tomorrow. Please take it easy, okay?
When you get to the station, you can explain that. Don't let me use force on you. Move.
Now move.
Officer, calm down, calm down. Eh?
Move.
Wait, man, move. Now don't they push me. No, man, move, man, move.
Sweetheart, why didn't you tell me you were a prince?
Am I a prince? Yes. I don't know. Let's leave that part, okay? It doesn't matter. What matters is that I am with you and I'm happy.
And you will always be with me, okay? But soon you will go home. I will take you home, okay? I love you.
My dear, it's not easy. It's not a small thing.
Guess what?
What?
I've won a jackpot. Austin.
A jackpot?
Yes.
I know it's Austin. Is that his name?
Yes. He's a prince.
What?
I saw an advert to that effect. So, I wanted to know if you will accompany me to his place.
Oh my God. But babe, wait. Just hold on, okay? You need to take things easy. How? Okay? But you know what? You know I'm so busy these days. I can't make it. I can't make it. Just to understand me.
Okay. I'll call you.
Okay? Take it easy.
Thank you.
My baby is in love.
Your Highness, with the help of my friend Meg, we were able to improve him to the States.
Why didn't you come with that friend of yours?
I tried to, but she's very, very busy.
You people deserve a great reward for such service. Anyway, Chief Guard.
Yes, His Highness.
Let's go summon all my chiefs. My son is back. That calls for celebration.
Okay, His Highness.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love
Finally.
Yes,
the prince is back.
Yes, Doctor.
But I told you.
I'm so happy.
I'm
so happy.
We thank God. Finally, the prince is back.
Oh,
that's all right.
So happy, Doctor. I'm so happy.
Honey, don't worry. I'll soon be back, okay? And you know, someone has to be at home. All right.
Mary. Mary. Not to worry, okay? Cheer up. Austin needs to see me. Cheer up, okay? I promise you I'll come back. Not to worry, I promise. It's a promise.
Sure.
Austin needs to see me.
Sure.
He needs to know I survived the accident. Okay?
Okay. If both of you insist, I have no choice. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Go in, huh? Go.
I promise you, okay?
My chiefs, I greet you all.
Igwe.
You're welcome. My heart is filled with joy today because my son, who was lost and supposedly dead, is alive and back home. So I summoned all you here and the entire king's household to come and rejoice with me for the return of my son. We have a lot to drink and eat. So, eat and drink and make merry with me for the return of my son. What is it?
Someone is at the gate. He said his name is Dr. Moses and he wants to see you.
Someone? Okay, bring him in. Bring him in.
Tell me that this love is unbreakable. your head.